Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Swechha, and today I'm gonna open this two slime, and the color of the slime is like red and yellow. I think it is like a jelly slime. So let's start it. Let's open this slime. So guys, let's open. What? Oh, this is not like jelly, but look guys, it's like jelly, but so guys, ah, what? Oh, it's a clear slime, but in golden color or yellow color. Oh guys, so stretchy guys. Wee, it's so stretchy. It's like a jelly. It smells also like jelly. I will eat it. But no, it's so stretchy, guys. It's so stretchy. Oh, nice. Look like this. Guys, so stretchy. Oh. What is stretchy? It's like real jelly. Okay, guys. Now the turn of this slime, rare color slime. So let's see it, guys. Oh, what? It's like, but okay. See, guys. Oh, it's also like a jelly, guys. Oh, it sticks anywhere. I think it's better than this slime, but let's see by playing. Let's say. Okay. It's no, this slime is better than it, because if we stretch like this it's have hole, but it's not like that. Okay, guys, but stretchy slime. Oh, it's just bigger than it also. What's this? Magical slime. So buy it in the store. Okay, bye guys. See you next video. Bye. See you next video. Bye.